Oh, hey, you caught me out here harvesting some of the Swiss chard we got because my wife was like,
Are you gonna do something with this Swiss chard?
so I'm gonna go ahead and make, I looked up a few recipes and I thought the best one that I found was creamed Swiss chard, which is similar to creamed spinach, same recipe, it just uses Swiss chard. So I'm gonna harvest some of this backyard grown Swiss chard, which is hard to get off of here. I got several kind. I got the green Swiss chard and then I got rainbow Swiss chard. So we'll get about 5 or 6 of these leaves to use in our creamed Swiss chard. So come check it out. The first and most important step in making creamed Swiss chard is getting a few bunches of fresh Swiss chard. Next, thoroughly clean the Swiss chard. Mince 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Finely chop 1 small onion. Chop the Swiss chard leaves and stems and leave them separated. For softer greens, you can add the Swiss chard leaves to boiling water for 2 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Saute the onion and Swiss chard stems in butter and olive oil until soft, then stir in the garlic until the garlic is fragrant. Mix in 1 tablespoon of flour for a minute, whisk in 1 cup of cream, simmer until thick, then add Parmesan, nutmeg, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Stir in Swiss chard leaves until they're evenly coated. Serve creamed Swiss chard warm as a decadent side dish over roasted potatoes or alongside grilled meat or fish.